Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Princess Bravo here. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm super duper excited to show you guys this gorgeous wig. Can you believe this is a wig? I'm so excited to show you guys how I'm going to install the hair and also some different styles that you can try if you decide to get this wig. So can you guys get into this wig? I mean, wow, this is so gorgeous. So let's just get into the tutorial. Okay, so let's get into this wig. So you can see the different shades of braiding hair that I used to braid this wig. I made this wig myself, you guys, and I already have a tutorial up on my YouTube channel. I will link it down below for you guys so that you can see how I made this wig. So this is how the wig is looking like on the inside, and these are the straps that you can use to secure the wig so that it's snug on your hair. Also at the front, the wig has a lace, so that's the portion where I did the cornrows. Again, this wig is very lightweight, you guys. Considering the amount of braiding hair that I used to make this wig, it's very lightweight, and I love the fact that it's curly. I decided to make it curly at the ends. Originally the braids were straight, but I decided straight was super boring for me, so I decided to go with the curly one. And this is how the wig is looking like on the inside. I really love the colors on this wig. I really love how well they blended in together, and this is the wig that I wore on my birthday. In case you missed my birthday vlog, I will link it down below for you guys to check it out. So now I'm fixing in the straps where I need them to be so that when I put on the wig, it is snug on my head. And I've already laid down my baby hairs using this gel. So after putting on the wig, I felt like the wig was secure enough, but then to make it more secure, I'm going to use some bobby pins, and also to make sure that the wig is laying nice and flat, you need to push it forward and make sure that the center part is at the center part. So I'm going to use some bobby pins to secure at the sides so that my wig doesn't move around. So after securing the wig, this is what we are looking like. The wig is so beautiful and gorgeous, and the braids are not so heavy, which I really love. So this is how the wig is looking like, straight, like after putting it on and doing nothing to it. This is what the wig would look like, which is so beautiful. Someone will think that I went to the salon and I have my natural hair braided, but no, this is a wig. So let me tell you more details about this wig in case you are interested. You can get this wig at my Instagram store at ft.princessbeautygalore. You can go and check my Instagram store out, and you can basically order yourself any custom made wig and I'll make it for you. So you can just choose whatever color you want to choose and whatever style you want to choose. And of course, my wigs are affordable. So of course I'm eating an orange to celebrate that, and that was amazing. So now I'm going to show you guys the different styles you can rock with this gorgeous wig. So this is the first one. Basically get a hair tie grab the braids from your side, choose whichever side you feel comfortable with, and then tie them. You don't need to tie them so tight. And then after doing that, I'm fluffing the braids out, as you guys can see, and then I'm grabbing a piece, a small section of the braids, and then I'm going to use those braids to basically hide the black hair tie. And that's it, as simple as that. For the second style, I'm going to do basic Dutch braids, and I'm going to braid them from the sides and also the other side as well. And then I'm going to join the two braids at the back to finish off the style. This is my favorite style, you guys. I really love it because I can take the braids and tuck them behind my ears like so that I can show off my earrings, which is really cute. But if you don't feel the vibe, you can just take out the braids and use them to cover your ears like so. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up for me. Also leave a comment down below and share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this wig. Will you rock it? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in this wig, I've left down information, all the information about this wig. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. Peace.